Hello students, here is week 29, day 2. Number 1, explain the meaning of the idiom. Where's the coach? It's a zoo in this gym. And underlined we have it's a zoo, which is the idiom, because it's not talking about animals, right? So those words are an idiom. They are not meant to be taken literally. So to define that, we think about what a zoo is like, and then you can kind of get a little bit of a sense of the word here. Where's the coach? So we can't find the coach. It's a zoo in this gym, like things are just kind of wild. So the idiom, it's a zoo, mean things are kind of out of control, perhaps disorganized. That would probably be an example of a definition for that. Number 2, choose the correct word. It is incorrect. All of those prefixes mean the same thing, but we can see through the illustration here that not just any one of them will work. Number 3, this got a little messy because there were so many corrections in one area, so let's go through this here. The National Zoo, that's a specific name, so it's capitalized. In Washington, specific name, so capitalized. DC, that got kind of messy, so here's the deal. We got a comma. D is capitalized. There's a period. C is capitalized and a period. And then strangely enough, because we need a comma after that, if you do if you do a city and a state in the middle of a sentence, you would put a comma after the state. So same situation here. We actually can have a comma after a period, which is strange. Doesn't happen very often, but it can happen. The only other correction in here, nope, take that back. There is no apostrophe, not showing possession, it's just showing that it's plural, and then a period at the end. Number 4, which sentence is punctuated correctly? We are choosing the first one because we've been talking about this Oxford comma and we're always using that one. Number 5 says use the map to write directions for walking from the Snake House, which is here, to Peacock Walk, which is over here. I'm going to have you put that on Edmodo. Now, I want you to think about this for a moment because it's going to take more than 2 sentences. Like, you're not going to be able to do this in a really quick way. I want you to really take your time with this. And first of all, the first thing you need to think about is there are 3 ways to exit Snake House. So you can't just say leave Snake House. You have to somehow refer to which one. Now, we can assume if this is a map that the top is going to be facing north, the right is going to be facing east. Oh, I missed one. There's 4 ways. The bottom would be facing south, and this direction would be west. You could also, well, let's stick with that. So you need to specify which way you're leaving, and then you need to specify which way you're getting in here. You can come in from the west, or you could come in from the north side on this. So you really have to be specific with your directions. You can't just say leave the Snake House and walk left until you see Peacock Walk. You need to give us some more stuff. So do your best with that on Edmodo, and when I read yours, I will walk through this according to your directions, and then I will let you know if you actually provided directions that got me to the destination we wanted. All right, that's it for today.